In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out if a customer viewed your quote on Xero. Navigating through this process can be simple once you get the hang of it, and it could be really useful for keeping track of your client engagements. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero accounting software account. You can do this by visiting the Xero login page. If you're using a web browser, the Xero site will prompt you to enter your login credentials. This will be your registered email and password, so make sure you have those on hand. Once you've entered your details, click on the login button and you'll be directed to your Xero dashboard. Now that you're on the dashboard, look for the business tab. This is where you'll find various tools and sections that Xero offers to help you manage your business operations more effectively. Click on business and a drop down menu should appear. From this menu, choose quotes. This section is specifically for managing all the quotes you've sent out, so it's where you'll find the information you need about each client's interactions with those quotes. Once you're in the quotes section, you'll want to focus on the quotes you've sent. There should be a tab or option labeled Sent, which you should click on to see a list of all the quotes you've published to your clients. This section is essentially your quote outbox. This is crucial for tracking outgoing communications and ensuring that all your potential sales leads are being managed effectively. Now that you're viewing the sent quotes, here's where you'll find out whether a particular customer has viewed their quote. Xero provides a handy status feature for each quote, which tells you if a quote is viewed by your client. This status update is automatically updated once the customer opens the email containing the quote, so you don't have to worry about manually checking for views. In addition to simply knowing whether a quote has been viewed, it's also worth noting that once a customer has opened a quote, they'll have the option on their side to either accept or decline it. This functionality not only gives your customers the flexibility they need to make decisions, but also helps you quickly finalize deals and adjust your pipeline accordingly. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to checking if your customers have viewed their quotes on Xero. This feature is a great aid in maintaining effective communication and ensuring that your sales process runs smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful for managing your business more efficiently with Xero.